from everywhere else here. This Anselia Africana and this dancing lady orchid. This is dancing lady orchid. Here she is. Then Anselia Africana and the other one just the other dancing lady orchid family. And there, orchids is growing here and everywhere on the rock and on the branches and everywhere. So beautiful orchids everywhere here. So we take a walk from here is some, and in there is a lot here. There are many types of orchids spread around the rock, and that's dancing lady orchids is here. This big bunch over there on that tree. And